y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, so this is my wig from Yolissa Hair. It is a 30-inch wig with a 13x6 frontal, and I dyed it jet black. So this wig came in this baggie from Yolissa Hair, and inside the baggie came another baggie. The baggie came with this band that prevents your wig from slipping. It's Velcro. Please don't mind the black in my nails. It's not dirt. I promise it's not dirt. It's hair dye. It also came with an edge brush so that you could do your baby hairs right after your install. It came with an elastic band that I also did not use. And last but not least, it came with some bomb lashes. And you know the vibes. I got my hair done by Efi Slays. Period, poo. Like, comment, subscribe, and you'll see the results at the end of this video. Later.